My name is Dennis Justus. I'm founder and president of Chimney Clean Company. What we do is we clean and inspect chimneys. We want to make sure that chimneys get cleaned correctly, and we want to make sure that they get inspected and that they're safe to use. Chimney Clean Company has been in business for 35 years. I founded this company back in 1990, and we've been committed ever since the start to quality service and complete inspections and certainty about the chimney and the condition that the chimney's in. We make sure we get the chimney clean, we make sure we inspect it and find out if there's any problems with it, and then we can do repairs on it if we do find problems with it. We're members of the Golden State Chimney Sweep Guild. This gives us a lot of additional training and makes sure that we know what we're doing. We've been trained by some of the best chimney sweep experts in the country. All of our technicians have been trained on a special in-house training program that I wrote myself. They're the best, most expert chimney technicians in the whole area. There's nobody else that's a better chimney technician than any of my guys. I would send any of my guys out on any job. They know exactly what they're doing. They've been trained thoroughly in making sure that they can clean and inspect a chimney, find out any problems that are going on with it, and make sure that it's completely safe to use. We're members of the Golden State Chimney Sweep Guild. This is a local organization here in California, and it ensures that their members know what they're doing, how to clean chimneys, how to inspect chimneys, how to make sure that the customers get satisfied. We guarantee you that you'll be a satisfied customer. I founded the company in 1990. The main thing that my wife and I started this company with was the idea that we want to have a very high quality chimney cleaning and inspection at a reasonable price. And for 35 years, we've continued having that same viewpoint. And now all of my technicians are trained with the same viewpoint. And we make sure that our customer is satisfied with the chimney cleaning that they get. We guarantee it, in fact. I personally guarantee it. Well, the main thing that we do is we have a fixed price when we go out to do the cleaning and inspection. You'll know ahead of time before we come out how much the cleaning and a basic inspection costs. We don't show up and then give you a surprise price, a surprise increase, or anything else. We do the cleaning and the inspection at the fixed price. If you're happy with that, then that's when we'll be happy also. Now, we might find that there's some repairs that need to be done. We will suggest those repairs to you and give you a price that could cover the repairs to do them. And if you want to get them done, we can do that at that time. It's entirely up to you. If you don't want to have them done, that's okay too. The motto of our company is clean chimneys, safe families. What we found is when the chimney is clean, it will lead to safety, and that will guarantee you that your family, yourself and your family will be safe when they're using the fireplace. So when we do an inspection, we make sure that it's safe to use it, and then afterwards you can be sure that you're going to have a very enjoyable fireplace.